Good morning, students. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful Wednesday. Today, we're going to talk briefly about mammals. This is Mammals Day 2 and 3 combined. So, we have the vocabulary here mammal, mammary gland, omnivore, carnivore, herbivore, monotone, marsupial, placental, some other things you may hear when you're looking at this lesson is crustacean period, placenta, and umbilical cord. So, what's up? Identify the characteristics of mammals. Distinguish between monotrends, marsupials, and placental mammals. So there are three types of mammals. You have monotrends, which lay eggs with leathery shells, and monotrends are mammals that lay eggs. Examples are of monotrends are duckbill platypus. Okay. Next, we have marsupials. And marsupials after birth, after marsupials give birth, their young usually crawl into external pouches. Possums are the only marsupials in North America. Other marsupials live in Australia, New Guinea, and South America. We have kangaroos, wallabies, koalas, and bandicots. And then last, we have the placental mammal. In placentals, the fetus completely develops inside the uterus of the mother, as opposed to the marsupials, which have a pouch and the child is underdeveloped and it stays in the pouch till it's ready to come out. But the placentals stay in the womb, sort of like humans, and we stay inside the womb until we're ready to come out. Dugongs, dugongs and manatees are aquatic mammals that are placental. Oh yeah, and I couldn't resist this. Me with the lady and the cat. We say wash cloth, and it says wash rag. All right. So big birds, or like birds, mammals care for their young. They're endothermic vertebrates. They have hair, sometimes fur, and provide milk for their young. And skin covers and protect all mammals. A mammal's skin is an organ that produces hair, and in some species, horns, claws, nails, or hooves. Female mammals have mammary glands that make milk. Oil glands make oil, and sweat glands, of course, make sweat. Also, mammals have teeth. Their teeth are shaped specifically for the foods that they eat. Some mammals eat herbs or they're herbivores. Some mammals eat plants and they're omnivores. Plants and animals, which makes them omnivores. So here's a quick little comparison. Monotrends lays eggs, leathery eggs, and the female incubates the egg for about 10 days, and the eggs normally hatch. They have hair or fur. Marsupials have pouches that are undeveloped. Young stay in until they are mature enough to move around on their own. Then you have placentals. Placentals are named after the placenta, which is a cytosol organ that develops from the uterus and tissues of the embryo. And the placenta, food and oxygen are absorbed from the mother's blood. One very important key idea is mammals are very complex animals. Again, the three types of mammals are marsupials, monotremes, and placentas. Can you tell me something about the marsupials, monotremes, and placentas? Right. Marsupials have pouches, monotremes have lay eggs, and placentas have their baby with inside their bodies, and the babies are nurtured through the placenta. So let's go to the next. And that concludes our lesson. So keep in mind that is how you can tell the difference between the mammals. You have marsupials, monotremes, and placenta. And remember to go to Google Classroom to get any other information for today's lesson. Have a great day. And any questions, email me at County Schools, or you can also post the question in Google Classroom. Bye.